The world's largest online advertising event is back. Join experts from TikTok, Reddit, Ogilvy, Bitly, Accenture, and 60 plus more as they share what's working for them in 2023. Expect proven frameworks and blueprints on running Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads in 2023, marketing in recession, AI copywriting and creatives, mastering GA4, and metaverse marketing, just to name a few. Dive deep into 7 hyper-focused tracks covering the future of advertising, content marketing, brand building, ad creatives, media buying, conversion optimization, and email and SMS marketing. You and 20,000 other people will walk away feeling confident, empowered, and equipped, ready to make 2023 their best year ever. Grab your tickets, grab your win.